you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below and join me each week for a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to jump into it really quickly today, so if you see anything in here, comment and let me know if it's something you already have or if it's something you're on the hunt for. I'm going to go ahead and start with these office items, and I found this little tray. It was near the school supplies, but I thought this was really great for organizing. You can stick it into your desk. So there is that. And I bought myself a new desk calendar for 2022. They had them in different colors and patterns, but I went ahead and picked up this navy blue one to go with my office colors. So grab those now because they will go fast. And I also bought this 2022 planner. And it has beaches inside. On the different months, you have a different picture. It's kind of small, but still I thought it was really pretty and tranquil. And so I picked that up. They're coming out with all of these calendar items now. So I did find finally these calendars. The farmhouse one. And it has a lot of really pretty pictures that you can use for DIYs. So there's that one, and I know a lot of you have already hauled these, so, and then there's the farmer's market one. And you know, you can cut these out, you can Mod Podge them, you can do different things with them, frame them. There's lots of options. Then there is the, oh, sorry, there's this Farm Fresh one, the truck, and we all love the truck. So I had been looking for these for a long time, and I know a lot of people hauled them, you know, weeks ago. So look for those. And then I have all these stickers. I bought this Cat in the Hat, or I'm sorry, Dr. Seuss sticker book. And I'll be using those for class when we do Dr. Seuss theme, usually in March. And then I picked up these reward stickers. It's such a great place to find stuff like that teacher's section, teaching tree, whatever they call it. And then I love these pink rhinestone stickers. I'll be using those on some DIYs very soon. And then I also grabbed this, what is this called? Adhesive pearl wrap, although this is like in gold, but that's just what they call it. And that is in the Floral Garden Supply. So look in there, not the sticker section. Also these Disney Princess stickers, which I'll use for class as well. And you get like, I'm trying to see how many sheets you get here. I can't find it. But you get like, I think 4 sheets of those, so you get a lot. And then there are these stickers. So pretty. And these ones are Crafter Square. So yeah, these are jewel border stickers. And you know, these have been around for a long time, but I went ahead and grabbed some pink ones. Then I picked up this, it's by the On brand, which I believe is Walmart, and it has a crayon and a pencil stylus, and I think that these are really cute for kids, for their tablet. So I grabbed those, and then these unicorn, what do they call these? They call them shaped decor sheets, and I like to use them in dance class for the kids to find their spot on the floor. And we usually do some unicorn theme. And then there are these reward stickers. Yeah. So you get a lot in these, which is nice. A fabric square in some pink. And I've hauled these before, but I have this one that I am going to use as an accent on a wall with these ones. And I bought about 15 of these, which I found a few weeks back and I accidentally left them. So I went back and they were still there, thankfully. So I've got a whole stack of those. And they're just a really pretty like honeycomb kind of pattern. And some DIY. I don't know if I showed this before. I don't think I did show this, but I bought these doilies and I'm going to be using them, and they're like in the off-white color with this table runner. I have a DIY project for my fall table runner and I don't want to give away too much of that, so I'm just going to show you what I'll be using, some of the things. And then I found those candlesticks in the pink, and I have ideas for these. You can put pumpkins on top, or you can make tiered trays. You can repaint them if you want to. I personally don't want to do that. And then I picked up one in this kind of like seafoam green, and that one has a different design. So be on the lookout for those. And we're going to be DIYing these, Savannah and I. And I feel like I've already shared that with you, so I won't spend too much time, but they make a really cute haunted house. Pretty sure I did that already. Some books. This one I'm going to read, Believe, Ask, Act. And this girl is a medium, so I'm really interested in reading this one. The other two I'm going to use for a Halloween DIY by removing the covers. You could read them as well, but you got this really nice navy blue, and then I'll be covering that up on the side and stacking these, and that will be in a DIY as well. This one, and you could read this too, How to Be Famous. That's not why I bought it. I bought it for the pink book underneath, and it does have a yellow section here, which I will probably cover with something. So those are going to be used for that. I bought this crossbody not to use. Not that you couldn't. It does also have a long strap on the inside, so that's kind of cool if you want to use it for that. But I am going to be cutting out some pumpkin shapes out of this to look like this faux leather, and I will show you what I'm going to do in that when I do the DIY. I bought these rhinestones, and these are all going into a particular Halloween DIY that, again, I'll share with you later. And then there's the milk bottles are back, restocked. Haven't seen those in a long time, so I grabbed a couple of those because they usually do go quickly. I also bought these candy jars, which have been around for a while too, but they don't stay on the shelf very long, and they have a place for a label. And I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet, but I picked them up anyway, so we'll see. But they're really cute, and they do have a really good close on them so that things that are inside will stay fresh. I bought one, and I don't know why, because I'm going to be using some of those rub-on transfers for the glass. They have them now in a Halloween theme as well, so I will grab some more of those. Whoops. And then I picked up some of these shower rings. I'm going to be using those to DIY some napkin rings. And again, those will be in a future DIY. These are really great, you guys. They have a built-in, let me just open one for you so you can see. They have a built-in freezable lid. So whatever you put in here, if you're taking fruit with you somewhere on the go, sending it in your child's lunch, taking it to work with you, this is great for fresh fruit or a salad or anything. And I picked one of those up in the coral and in the navy. So look for those because they are new. At least they're new for me. Maybe you guys have seen them before. Okay, then I found a couple of these cement candle holders, and I had not seen them, so I was looking and checking all the Dollar Trees, couldn't find any, found them yesterday. But I only picked up these two patterns. There were a couple of other ones, so there were 4 total. And then they have this very fragile glass thing that goes over them. So you can put the candle right inside of there if that's what you want to use it for. there are other things you could put in there as well. If you have a soap dispenser that is small, you could set it inside of there and put it on your bathroom sink, and that would look really pretty. You can paint these a different color or leave them the way they are. So that's those. And then I picked up one of these travel chests. I think it's like a magnet or something. Yes, magnetic chest. And this is what comes inside of it. They also had a checkers set, but I just picked up the chess because I'm wanting to learn how to play chess, and I can hold this on my lap very easily when I'm lying in bed at night or whatever I'm doing. So it's a little out of order, but here's some new almonds they have, these salsa ones and the hickory smoked, and they also had like just the plain ones, but I have tried the salsa ones and they're really, really good, you guys. And $1 for a package of almonds. They're 2 ounces, I think is really cheap. And they're good almonds, by the way. So there's those, and this was also for a DIY. Mostly for this fabric. I'll be cutting out some pumpkin shapes with it, and I'll just hang on to the other side for something in the future. Not really into the whole sequin glam thing. Mine's more like kind of country farmhouse thing. So there's that one. I'm trying to reach y'all. Hold on. Let me grab it. And then there was this one I bought also to do some pumpkin cutouts. And I'll just keep the polyfill for another project. Maybe no-sew pillow or something. So there's those. And there are these floating candles, which again, there were like just a couple left on the shelf because I know these go really fast too. And you can use these for floating candles, or you can melt them down to make your own candles because they're really big. And yeah, so I grabbed those. Also, all of these frames, sorry you guys, everything is so far away from me I can't reach it. So I have these blue ones, navy blue and gold, that I bought. And yeah, I'll be putting something inside of them. I don't know what. I might use some of them on my own picture wall. Found this, like, I don't even know what you call that, but it looks like someone hammered a design into this gold, and I kind of like that look. So I picked up one of those, and these are all 5x7. This one is not a 5x7, it's a 4x6 in this black. And I thought this one would go cute for a Halloween DIY sign. And then this one in the black and gold will be used as well for Halloween. And when I do my another Halloween haul, I'll show you some of the homemade Halloween cards that I found that can go inside of these frames. Let's see what else. Oh, really quickly, if I can get them. Let's go through the gift bags super fast. I picked up Minnie because who doesn't love Minnie? I also grabbed Frozen. And, oh, there's some more stickers in here. Pink ones. Forgot to include those with my stickers. And then some more of these pantry labels. Because, just because. You can never have too many of those. And they were really hard to find there for a while. I also have this really cute Have a Fabulous Birthday with a flamingo. So pretty. Let me just show you the sides of the bag really quickly so you can see the sides of this design. And I love the details that they put into them, and you've got this like foil on this side in the letters. And this pretty polka dot pattern. Love everything pink, you guys. And then you've just got this beautiful glitter on the side detail. Dollar Tree really is putting a lot into their gift bags now. Now I got this large mini bag, and it says Beautiful, like bow. So let me just show you the comparison. They're the same exact picture, I think. No, they're not, sorry. But I bought both of those. I feel like all of these too, they still have the green briar. Oh no, I'm sorry, these say, yes, they do, but it says Unique is the brand, but they must have some kind of thing with Disney. I don't know. And then also, I got this really large Frozen bag that says Believe in the Journey. So I have 2 of the Frozen bags. And let's just see what's on the side of this. Some pretty like ice designs, obviously for Frozen. And then there's this one, which I thought was really cute. It says Happy Birthday, and it has a cupcake with a unicorn. It's like a unicorn cupcake. And let's check out the side. It's rainbow, you guys. I love the bags at Dollar Tree. You can't beat them. They're just so pretty. And then this one that I was holding all of that stuff in has a cupcake on it with some straws, it looks like. It's got some like stars and little swirly details on the side, but really cute. And it says Make a Wish. And this bag's pretty big. And I think the last 2 items, oh sorry, no, a couple more things in the gift bag area. These extra large giant gift bags. I got this one with the unicorns on it. So pretty. And it comes with a little tag. And those are really nice when you have really large gifts. And then this one with the green and blue balloons. A cute birthday card for a 1-year-old. Little cute Disney baby Mickey. And then some really pretty tissue paper. I have other birthday tissue paper. I'm not going to show that, but look at this, you guys. The plaid in the navy is so pretty. You don't get a lot in this one, but still a good deal nonetheless. And then I grabbed 2 of these, but I'm just going to show you this one so I don't have to reach way over there. But this is new. It is a flashlight, and they had them in red, blue, and green, and I grabbed these blue ones. Recently, we had a power outage because somebody knocked a pole down, and those handheld ones, the work lights, came in handy because I had like 4 or 5 of them, and it lit up the entire house, you guys, for the whole night. So this is going in the emergency kit. And with that, we are done with this haul. And so you guys, thanks so much for joining me on this quick haul. I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't. I hope that you will hit the like button because it really does help my channel to grow. And watch the video as long as you can, please. And I thank you again. Have a super amazing